Okay, the first thing you want to do is to open a blank document in Microsoft Word. I'm going to be going between the two documents with Alt-Tab. You're going to open a blank document. The first thing I'm going to do is to save it with my initials in my correct folder, initials W 7.28. And that way I don't have to worry about losing it or doing something wrong. So now let's go back and see what the directions are. Number 2 says insert a basic cycle SmartArt graphic from the cycle category. As you noticed in the video that you watched, this is basically a visual way to demonstrate, let's say, it's almost kind of like a chart, but this would be useful in science. So once you get into SmartArt, you can arrow down to cycle and then tab to get over there, and then you have different options of what you want to choose. You can use your arrows within there. Now the nice thing is you have your graphic on the right and automatically a text box on the left. So if you're JAWS users, it's easiest to use the text box. But as soon as you do it, they're asking you to insert text in the following clockwise order, which is how it normally goes, and your cursor will be in the first one. So they want you to add condensation, evaporation, infiltration, and let's see, I forgot the other two, so I'm going to go back. And the last two are, let's see, precipitation and collection. And the nice thing is you're back in the text box exactly where you left off. So you type in precipitation, make sure you arrow down, not enter. Enter will create a new shape. Okay, that's very important. So once you have them all there, we're going to go back and see what we need to do next. Okay, step 4 is to delete the shape containing the word infiltration. So you don't have to worry about finding the shape. We're still in the text box. So you're just going to use your arrow keys to go find infiltration. Go to one end of it, and you can just backspace and delete the whole line. Okay, so now we only have 4 circles with text in them instead of the 5 that we started with. Okay, now step 5 wants us to select the shape containing evaporation and then choose move down twice. So you're going to select it like you would any text. If you're at the end, you can do Control-Shift left arrow. Okay, and then you are going to go up to the design menu, which is specific for this. That's Alt-JS. And then you just tab or go to the move down arrow. I thought it was move up. I forgot when I made the video. And then I'm like, well, that's strange. It won't let me do it. Won't let me do it twice. So anyways, I realized it was moved down, and I just went on and clicked on it twice, and it basically just moved evaporation to a different spot. Okay, so now let's go down and look at step 6. It says change the SmartArt layout to block cycle. So once we get back into our Word document, just as it was with the tables and some other things we've done, there's a specific menu that's going to come up. And if you are still in the text menu, then what you want to do is press Escape, and that'll automatically select your SmartArt graphic. And then you can go into the, there's 2 menus. There's Design and Format. You press Alt. JS is the Design menu. And they want you to change the style of it to a block style. So JAWS will read these. So you just tab till you get to style and then just choose whatever you want using your arrows. The block style is what they requested. Okay, and once you find the one you want, just press enter. Okay, now it says step 7 says change the colors of the SmartArt to colors you want. So once again, the change colors menu is under the design tab, Alt-JS, and you can use your arrows once you're in there and you could choose any kind of colors. Some of them are monochrome, others have a mix of colors. You can choose whatever you want for fun. So now we've completed step 7. So let's go back and look to step 8, which says change the SmartArt style to intense effect. I don't care if it's an intense effect, just choose one of them. In this case, it's not under the special design menu, it is under the format menu. We just press the Alt key, J-O. And then you can just tab till you get to shape effects. And once you get there, there's different things to choose from. Preset, shadow, reflection, glow, etc. Glow is where you'll find some kind of intense effect. You can choose another one if you'd like. It just kind of, you might notice if you have the vision that the colors seem brighter. Okay, but you can also choose the shadow effect, whichever you like. And now you're done. So just Control S